Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. This is in continuation with the previous video. In this video, I'll show you the complete makeover of this beautiful simple frock making. In my previous video, I have detailed all the drafting and cutting part of this beautiful frock making. If you missed or haven't watched it, please, the link is in front of your screen. Kindly check with the link in front of your screen to watch the drafting and cutting pattern of this beautiful frock. Without wasting time, let's quickly start with the stitching part of this. I'll be using this satin ribbon, placing this on the front bodice, leaving the seam allowance of half an inch. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी वॉच कर सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, प्लीज क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को। चैनल का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है। देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। I joined the satin ribbon on the front bodice, also done with the stitching of hook and eye straps. Now I'll overlap both back panels like this and I'll give the stitch to keep in place here. Aligning both front and back panels, shoulder lines together, I'll give the stitch to join the shoulders. Placing both right sides together, I'll give the stitch to join the shoulder line. Done with the joining of the shoulder line, this is how it looks. Now I'll be using 1.5 inches bias strip for the concealing of the neckline and armholes. I've folded and pressed together. Firstly, I'll join the bias strip on the neckline, starting from the center back, placing it on the right side. With 1/4 inch seam allowance, I'll be giving stitch. Do not stretch the neckline or bias while stitching, done it friendly, as I am using this contrasted color to give the piping look. Flipping the bias strip towards wrong side, leaving a little, giving the piping look. On the bodice, we have to give the stitch. I'll give one more top stitch so that underneath seam allowance will be settled and will give the nicer look. I'm done with the concealing of the neckline. This is how it looks. See the beautiful and neat finishings of the neckline. The same way, now I'll conceal armholes, placing the bias strip like how I've shown the neckline. I'm done with the concealing of the armholes now. Now I'll join the sides of these bodies. And the bodice would look like this now. Aligning both the body's waistline with the skirt or the bottom waistline. Placing both right sides together. Now I'll give the stitch to join this waistline of the skirt with the bodice. I'm done with the stitching, and this is how the turned out outcome would look. Now I'll turn the seam allowance of the waistline towards the bottom part of the skirt, and I'll give the top stitch so that the seam allowance will be settled underneath. Finally, I'll decorate this with the making of the flower. With the leftover, I'll cut 2 inches bias strip. And I'll conceal the raw edge of the top side, and the concealed raw edge would look like this. To the bottom side, I'll give hand running stitch. Overlapping it like this, giving the petal shape. I'll secure these petals, giving the stitch. I'll place this flower with the joining of the fabric button on the satin ribbon. I'm almost done with this beautiful pretty frock, and the final look out is here. Really, I'm much impressed with this beautiful pretty frock. It's really turned out pretty well like the ready-made, isn't it? Comment your views on this pattern. Don't forget to try this pattern for your little princess. They'll really look gorgeous. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Also hit the bell icon to receive the future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. That's all for now. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.